Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes we can, so smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And also comment shout during the brief comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Anya from Spy Family in a realistic style. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I actually got a lot of requests from you guys on Instagram and on TikTok to make this drawing from my previous video of Anya in 4 different styles. So hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. And it's been so long since I made a realistic drawing. It's been years since I made an actual realistic drawing, and I gotta say I improved a lot, so hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving those to my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that me really like, so make sure you check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Spy Family drawing playlist there, so check that out. But yeah everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time everybody, peace.